Hey, what's happening? It's your boy Fat Tater. Gonna come at you with a review of Poop. It's called the Pile Driver. And it's a toy. It's his number 2 toy in the world. Alright? It's a remote control pile of shit, is what it is. It's a nice little gift my buddy got me, and I gave one to my brother, which is this one. I didn't open yours up, brother. But here it is out of the package. It says Pile Driver. It's pretty neat. It's squishy. It's got wheels on it. And it has an on-off switch, so you can turn it on. And then it comes with a cool remote. It's a plunger. And this even has a fart sound. You hear that? Yeah. But this is the coolest. Pull out the antenna. Anyway, so let's check it out. It takes 2 AAA batteries. This one has a battery already in it, but it has one of those pull thingies that you pull and make it so the battery makes contact. Alright, here we go. Oh, God. Hey, get back. Good job, dog. Seamus. Okay, my dog likes it. Alright, that's mine. Stop it. I play with it. Stop it. What's he doing? Oh. Uh-oh. We're stuck. But, there you go. Thank you, son. So, you this button. Come up here. You go down for the swirl. You turn around. And this goes straight. So, you just aim it in the direction you want. And then it has a fart button. So, look at the thing and see if my dog has a reaction. Ah. I was like, wait a minute. I didn't do this, and it's moving. Is that alright? Back up here. So that's Fat Tater. Neat little gag gift. Not too bad. My buddy bought it for me at 5 and Below, if you have one of those stores. I always thought it was 5 degrees and below, so I figured it was cold in there, so I never went. But it's pretty cool. I've been in there. Other than that, I give it a 2 nip flips up.